All right, guys. It's good to be back on the chat. It's good to be back on the chat. So we're live. Let me update people that we are live currently now. We're live. And let's see what we can do this morning if we're going to get any opportunities to trade this morning. But let me update. Let me just update real quick that we're live. Let me update real quick that we're live. So let me update. That's it, guys. Let's comment. Give me 1 second. Just give me 1 second, guys. 1 second. Okay, back to where we were. So I'm going to do a breakdown analysis now on the pair, and we just go straight to it. So first of all, let's go to our forest factory, and let's start with that. Let's see what we have going on today. So today is Tuesday, the 13th of May, and we have a GBP news around 7 a.m., which has already passed. And what we have right now, we have CPI today by 130 on the USD, and that is the only thing we have currently going on today. So that aside, let's go over to our chart and let's do some breakdown. So let's start with our favorite pair, which is gold, and let's see what gold is currently doing or trying to do. So um okay, let's go to daily. The daily, you can see, despite the fact that I dropped analysis yesterday on daily resistance and or daily support, you can see that price never broke below, even came down here, retested it, and it closed below this low. And the previous day had no top pick, so there's a possibility of price coming to create a top pick on this pair. So that is what we're looking at. So let's go to the 4 hour time frame. Let's see what the 4 hour is also telling us. So on the 4 hour, we have some bullish momentum. You can see price creating some bullish momentum to the upside, and there's a level of resistance here on the 4 hours. Then on the 1 hour time frame, you can see that um it's not yet clear. The resistance is not yet clear, but that's what we're looking at. So for buys currently now, because it's just looking like a demand and supply from the daily, so you might likely say buy soon if price break above a certain level. So on the 30 minutes as well, you can see that my resistance level holds, and on the 15 minutes too, you just adjust it so you can match this one a bit. So this should be the 15 minutes resistance above here, and we have a clean level for about 150 people in which price can move around. So that's what I'm going to be looking at. So this is also my support level around here. So there's possibility of us getting a sell price break below this structure. So I'll adjust it, and we could look to sell to this level for over 80 pips. So just wait. Even where the way the price even closed now is even kind of good. If you get the retest, you can see push to the upside for around 20 p, and this is like that is. But let us wait. The clear bias is price breaking above this level, so let's wait for price to break above that level so we can see the possible buy the upside. So that's all we're looking at now on um that's what we're looking at on GG, on gold, sorry. That we're looking at Not looking at on gold. So you just wait for price to break above this level. So if you measure it, is around 40 p. That's it. So moving for, let's look at. I think there's nothing else for me to touch. I think I was a bit fast with the whole analysis. So there's nothing else for me to touch. So let's go over to GJ, and let's see what GJ is doing as well. So looking at GJ, um, let's look at GJ. So let's clear up everything on GJ first, and let's go over to the daily time frame. So daily was bullish, and did it close above this level? No, it did not. So it closed directly at level of resistance. You can see how structures always respect themselves. You can see how structures, higher time frame structures always respect themselves. So on the 4 hours as well, 4 hours should be bullish currently. You can see the price came down. Let's look at the left. Let's see if there's any area in which price respected for you to have this close. Okay, you can see it's this is 4 hours support that price respected for it to start pushing upwards. So let's look at the 1 hour time frame. Now the 1 hour price has done this is a bullish momentum. There's a high being created, there's a low being created, and this is the push to the upside. So this should look like a level of resistance on the 1 hour, and on the 30 minutes it can be adjusted to this upside. And if you guys know how I trade, I would have looked to enter this particular pair when price break above this level for a bullish continuation, and currently it seems like it's actually pushing upward. Yeah, this should have been the entry here. Stop loss below this low. That would have been around 13 p, and price has moved just 8 p. So I've still been in this trade trying to see if the trade can move higher. Well, that's it, guys. So let's keep waiting. Let's see if we're going to get any opportunities in the market. Let's see if we get any opportunity in the market. So that being said, I think that's about it. So if for sales, there's no selling yet. Let's see how price reacts when it gets to this area here. So let's see the reaction when price gets to this area here. So from there we know if we're probably going to get a sell or not. But there's no selling bias currently now. So but until price gets to that place. So that is just it. So you can see the gold. I just mentioned that gold was looking good for the buys above this level, and that's exactly what it did. It moved. This is over close to 50 pip. So this is easy 1k. Oh, let's be watching the markets. Let's see how the price are forming. Then we'll look to see if you can get any opportunity. We have just 11 minutes to the end of the candle. So in the next 11 minutes, you will know if we're going to get any opportunity or not. So that's just it. The next 11 minutes, we know if we're going to actually get any opportunity in the market. Hopefully the price doesn't push too high for us to look for any opportunities. Hopefully it's just still the way it is, because we have actually not placed any trade this week. It's Tuesday and we kind of need trade because we need an opportunity in the market. So probably I would have gotten into this one because I saw it the whole setup and it was looking good. Because price that also is trying to break above the whole 30 minutes high. You can see it's 30 minutes high is broken. So it was looking good. I saw it was looking actually good. So that's it, Sha. What we do now? We just have to wait. And see how price moves. There's nothing more. There's nothing else. You just have to wait. That's the only thing we can do now. We wait. If the price moves too high, what I will need price to do is kind of move too high for me to enter the market. I'll need price to kind of do some kind of rejection, in the sense that I'll need, let's say it moves too high, I need like some kind of bullish buyers, bearish buyers. Then I'll see a bullish momentum. That's when I want to get into the market. Something like this. This is the thing that will just trigger me to likely enter the market and like please trade. You get, so that's something else I like to see that make me enter the trade. Aside this, I don't think there's anything else I'm interested in the market, because it has already moved over 60 people already from the entry. It's crazy. It's crazy, man. It's a crazy time being a trader. Like, it's actually crazy. If you're not patient, like if you're not actually patient, you might not get opportunities. If you're not patient, you might not actually get opportunities in the market. That it. So we're getting a pullback, which is good. Which is good. So let's see how it goes. We're getting a pullback. So let's see how it goes. So let's wait. Let's wait. You don't have to wait for whatever price wants to do, or also look to execute, place a trade, do anything. Now we'll just wait. Come on, guys. The 3 more minutes, the candle is rejecting. Looks like it wants to close. It might even close inside this round or something. If I go to my 30 minutes, 30 minutes is looking good. So let's wait and see how it actually closes. So we know if we're going to look to jump into the trade or we're going to leave it like that. So let's just wait. We have 3 more minutes or 2 more minutes before the candle ends. So let's wait. We will know our whole actions very soon. If we're going to place a trade or we're going to let it like that, leave it. Yes, you will know. Because looking like it wants to close back inside the whole level, but we'll know soon enough. And it's about like London section starts in 2 minutes. Let's see if that's going to bring in the volume. Feel like I might get a trade though. Actually get a trade. So let me set my guns and everything. Let me set all my stuff for a possible opportunity on gold. So let me get my stuff ready for that. So all I need to do now is to see a pullback. I need someone to pull back. It has to pull back. No, not like this. It has to pull back. So there's nothing I can do about gold currently because I needed it to create a bottom wick. So if it moves really high, then that's it. It has to come down and create a bottom wick, not for me to place a trade. So if it moves now, that's it. There's nothing I can do about it. Absolutely nothing. So you just have to wait. We just have to wait, guys. Just wait to see how the structure plays out. So this is the retest. So what I'm going to likely do now, if I'm to enter this trade, I can't enter off the flip anymore. So I'm going to enter off the high, and stop loss would be stop is going to be 60 pip. No, stop loss is going to be 60 pip. So let me just send this out if possible, if it's going to play out. So let me just send this out first. This is basically the whole idea of this trade. So surplus will be around surplus will be around so wait guys, you wait to see if it's going to play out or it's going to go a different way. So that's all we can do. We just wait to see how exactly the whole structure plays out. I can see that from this place I was looking to enter from before, price moved 75 p from the initial place I was looking to enter, which is crazy. But the another reason why I didn't even bother about it, because this candle never came down, so I never did the proper retest I wanted. So assuming I saw that bearish momentum, that bearish retest, then I would have most likely placed a trade. Because, but I never got that retest structure. It just started pushing upward. So I'll wait for the retest, then I'll buy above this level for price to continue. And from that exact level, price moves over 70 people. So that was it. That's it, guys. So let's see exactly how everything plays out. Let's see, it's already starting to reject. So let's see if we get that flip. Let's see if we get that flip. Let's see if we get that flip, guys, so we can place a trade. will it still plays out or will it not? So we have not had any trade to place this week. We still have zero trade, and last week we placed just three trades. And today is Tuesday, so I'm kind of expecting the opportunity today. So let's see exactly how it's gonna happen. Let's see if we're gonna get any opportunity on stream today. So that being said, that's all. So let's just wait and see how the whole candle forms, the whole structure, and exactly what price is going to do. So that's just all. Waiting for the trade to play out. I'm just waiting. I'm trading gold. What I'm trading is gold. I'm trading gold and GBP. Those are the pair. But I'm looking for opportunities now on gold. I'm trying to buy gold. I'm looking for a buy above 3266. So that's my level currently now. That's what I'm looking at to buy gold. But that's just it. But I also dropped an analysis on GJ, which is already playing out. GJ is already playing out already. That I would have looked to go for longs around this level here. This exact level. Possible buy on GJ, which is already playing out. This was like where I'm looking to close positions. But at this point already, I should already be at break even because the whole stop loss was 13p and price has moved over um has moved over 17p. So that's it. So what I'm currently looking for now is gold. But gold is looking like doesn't have enough momentum. So I'll just wait and see if I get the break of structure I needed and possible entries. But that's just it. We'll wait to see. We'll wait and see. Man, this London section is not bringing any volume. I was expecting some kind of volume today. Okay, looking at gold as well, you can see that price is actually rejecting off this level here. You can see it's trying to reject off this level. So then again, in order for me to also enter this trade, I also need to see some kind of bullish closure. Even though it doesn't activate me, I need to see bullish closure above this level like this, and see bullish closure. But then again, I was expecting a lot of London volume to push price to my direction if prices want to actually go up. Like once it breaks this previous high, I expect the volume to actually keep pushing it to the upside. But we haven't gotten anything yet, so I just waiting to see if the market is going to present anything for us to trade. So that's it. The market has to present something for me to look for positions. So 3 more minutes to the end of this candle. Three more minutes. Are we going to get a trade or we are not? Are we going to get a trade or we are not? So you can see that it's actually price is rejecting this level, like it's strongly rejecting this level. So let me just we're waiting, Sha. Waiting, let's see. Will this be a fake out to the downside? Because the daily bias is bearish. Daily bias is obviously bearish. Well, we have like a demand zone. Let's see how it plays out. let me close my, since it's like 2 minutes to the close of the candle. So let me close my buy stop. Let me cancel my buy stop first of all. Let me close my buy stop first of all, and wait. Let me close my buy stop and wait. But if anything, I think it's going to play out for sales. Looking at the whole structure, I think it's going to play out for sales, like probably fake out. But let's see. Let's wait and see. Let's see how it's going to close. Well, I'm looking for sales, so I'll just adjust this my level to be my new area of resistance. This is my new resistance here. That's what I'm gonna do. And good. So this kind of hand, bottom week. So there's no harm entering it. So I wait. I wait. I actually wait. Everything is patient. You have to be patient and wait for sell. That's all. That's what you're about. You have to be patient and wait. Like I'm doing now, I'm waiting to see what price goes. In 30 minutes is looking good. So I don't know. Probably enter will be 30 minutes, but we'll wait. I went now. This is my resistance. If I say closure be above my resistance level, then probably get an entry. But just wait. My plan for fake out. My plan very fake out. So I'm staying off this market. I'm staying off. I'm staying off the markets. So it means that I don't get a trade. Fine by me. But I need everything I analyze what I'm looking for to play out so I can look to jump into the market. If what I'm looking for in the market doesn't play out the way I want it, so there's no point of me looking for opportunities. I don't know if you understand. So I want everything to play out the way I want. Although, if you're looking at this trade, this was the start of the candle. 1 minute candle pushed down a bit. The other one pushed up. So this would have been the entry price. Very poor risk reward. It hasn't moved 1 to 1 yet. So that doesn't move. Yeah, I would likely want to. Let me see, Sha. Let me see. Let me see. There's nothing going on in the market now, so let's just be looking at it. But this fake out, like I said, this fake out might play out perfectly. Price resetting off this level. You can see its price rejected off this level, came down back. But the only thing that was off about this particular candle that this previous candle had no um bottom wick, and once there's no bottom wick, the possibility of a trade going your way becomes 50-50. And I didn't really want to take that chances since I'm up to selling trade this week. I needed a good opportunity for my first trade. So this was the reason why I decided not to bother about the trade. This was the reason why I decided not to bother about the trade. If not, I would have actually entered this trade. I would have actually entered this trade. But that is it, guys. That is it, guys. Let's wait to see time. See time. This is just 8:22. So let's wait. My good opportunity. And the GJ I analyze is, I think, it's all the charts. Yeah. Let's go to the place, take profits. So, This is my structure I'm working on. This is basically my structure. Let us wait, guys. So I have about 50 more minutes to be on the stream or more. So we'll see if we're gonna get anything soon. Looking at the whole entry. So guys, you can just see what I was talking about. The chances of the trade going your way is small. You get, unless you quickly break even after price get to like 10p close break even. If not, price is literally back to your entry. That's momentum you need is not there. So that's quick momentum that you need for price to push your side. It's not there. So the only trade that actually played this morning was on GJ, and GJ is currently dumping now after it got to TP. So price just got to TP, and I said that wow, Omo, it's good to know what you are doing. Oh. If you look at the analysis from the beginning, I analyzed GJ for buys, and I said that if price gets to this level, there's a possibility of price rejecting from here for sales. And you can see that the moment price got to this point, you can see that it's rejecting. Like, that's good. But that being said, I'm not. If you know me, you know me very well. I don't like trading GJ because most of the time, um, once I place a trade on GJ, it usually it usually doesn't move the way I want it to move. Like GJ is always slow. He always takes his time to move. Like he always takes his time. So it always takes his time to move. So I don't like actually looking at the play at all. I like being involved. I just like letting him be. So I don't like letting him be. But that is it. So that being said, I'll just wait and see what's gonna happen next. So that's what I'm gonna do. Let's wait and see. Well, I have no business with GJ. It's good to see us dancing around the entries and all. So it's good. Okay, I think it's gonna create a okay, gold might actually move now. Actually move now. But still I can't place a sell. For me to enter a sell here, probably need to create some level of support from this level because the range, despite the fact that we're in the range, the whole structure is so good. We have about 63 structure. If 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 this candle had a bottom week, and I'll be so in this range long ago, like so long ago. But that being said, it can still play out. Like I said, it might still play out very well. But I don't need to be in trade. Trade might actually play out, but I don't need to be in it. I don't need to be in it. I don't need to be in it. So just wait. I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting to see if I'm going to see anything enjoy. That's the only thing I can do. Wait. Man, crazy. Well, if anything happens, if you know the stream ends, if anything happens, if any opportunity comes out, I will just send it to the group. If you're not in the group, there's I think at the bio of this. Let me see if I can actually paste the link. Let me see if I can actually paste the link. So you guys can see it. Let me see if I can paste the link so you guys can just see. So you can just join the group. If there's any opportunities in the markets, I'll just send it to the group. You can just check the um can you check the description? I think it's on the description. Here's on the description. Can you check the description? Boy, trading has been actually been crazy this past days, man. It's been really crazy being a trader. Test your emotions, feeling. It's been crazy. I'll not lie. Oh. I saw one of my friends yesterday, and he's also a trader. He's also a big trader. Was complaining that, oh my guy, it's going to pause for a bit because the market has been crazy. It has been crazy. It's been getting a lot else, and we shared what we think. We shared what we both think about the whole market, and that was it. What we think about the whole market, and that was it. Let's see if we can get a bullish close, but weak bullish close. Then you could probably look to sell after the bullish close. So that's what I'm looking at now. But if I decide to push already and move, that's it. I already said that the price will move after I saw this candle rejecting up. So I already know that that was like kind of bias for price to move down. I already saw it. So if I've gotten it from here, you have been 20 feet. Sort of have been just above here. So it's like 1 to 1. Not this place anymore. It should be like around here. So it's like 1 to 1 already. That being said, mm, I ain't entering this trade. I ain't entering this trade. Let's wait it out, guys. Let's wait it out. Let's see how this plays out. I mean, only if this candle has created the top bottom. You know, I would have entered it. Only if because the stop loss should have been. It came down first, so let's check the moments. It actually came down first before you start pushing upward. So this would have been my entry. The stop loss would have been 26 feet. And price, yeah, I'll go to my 1 to 1. I'll go to my 1 to 1. Just only if the candle would have pushed up and we have been in this trade long ago. But anyways, let's wait. Let's see if we possibly get anything from the market. Then we look to this trade or something. Let's wait and see. A Daisy. Thanks for the love. But waiting, let's wait and see. So this is 833, 833 or 832, whatever it is. So what I'm looking for now is either I see some bullish momentum to the upside, breaking above here, or I want this candle to close a bit bullish for quick rejection. Okay, let me just do it. Let me show what I want. So either it's close like this, then I look to sell as it breaks its low like this, sell below here. This is one entry I'm looking for. Or what I want price to do is either I get some kind of bullish momentum pushing upward. Like if I see a bullish momentum pushing like this, then I see a bullish close above this resistance, then I can look for a retest, then I look to buy. You get, or I see price creating after it breaks above this level, I can still see like a bearish candle retesting the whole zone. Then I can see a bullish candle breaking above. Then I look to buy something like this, buy above. So these are the analysis I'm seeing on the chart right now. This is what I'm looking to enter the trade of from. So I have to be patient and wait for price to come to me. Price has to come to me. That's it. Then if I don't get anything like that, there I just have to wait for sales below this level. No price below this level. But from this level to there it's already 50 pip. So I would don't want to not even from there, from this point to this level, that is 120 pip. So what am I looking for in the market after price has already moved 100 pip? Like what I'm going to get, you get. So the whole, apart from yesterday that there was actually a news event, and this was the only opportunity I tried to enter, but I didn't enter the trade no more because the price already moved a lot. Even though I know that was going, I already moved 300 people. You guys, and even though that I removed 200 people, you also see move extra 300. You get, well, that was based on the whole tariff, US giving the whole China agreeing to the tariff plan and the whole stuff. That was what happened yesterday. I made price move like that. So that being said, I just have to wait now. Regardless, even though I said that I'm likely enter the trade here, I just need price to get to this point before I know exactly what I'm going to do. So guys, feel free to leave a like on the chat. It helps boost the stream so more people can see. So if you're active right now, please do give us a like. It's very important. And if you want us to check any pair, let me know so you can check the pair you want. Just leave a like. So that's it, guys. I'm waiting now to see. I'm still waiting. So waiting. Um I still have about 24 minutes to wait on the stream to see if I'm going to get any opportunities. But if I don't get any opportunities in the next 21 minutes, that'll be it for me, and I'll call it a day. Well, like I said again, I've posted my if you're not in the group running my Telegram channel, I posted it. So if I get any opportunity later on after the stream, I'm actually going to send out the trade. So if you're on the Telegram, you're going to see the trade. Eventually, if I see any trade later on, because after the stream, I still have other things to do, and after that, I'll still look for opportunities in the market to see um if I'm going to get any opportunities. You can see that price is struggling, man. It's struggling. Like it's struggling to move, struggling to do anything. There's a lot of struggle going on this pair. Like a lot of struggle. A whole lot of struggle. A whole lot of struggle. That's all right. That's all right. I think I'm gonna look for another pair that moves like um gold. I'll be looking to trade. So I think I'm gonna look for another pair that moves like gold. I'm looking to trade. DJ has already done his move already. The way I analyze it, it already happened. It's already TP and all. So what was waiting for? I was waiting for gold to see what gold does. So gold, the 15 minutes counter ends in 7 minutes, if I'm not mistaken. So 7 minutes. So we know what. See, funny enough, gradually it's still pushing down. Gradually, it's actually going down. It's actually going down gradually, slowly but surely. Actually moving down slowly but surely. But that's just it, guys. That is just it. That's just it. So the let me look at the whole structure of gold. Let me see where else someone can have gotten a trade. So looking at gold itself, this was an opportunity on gold, and this was the volume time because there's a lot of volume going on here. This one candle alone is about 96p. And if you have gotten into this pair, price came down for a small retest. Let me look at the 5 minutes. If there was any 5 minutes rejection, yeah, this was the. Let me not use this. Let me use this. Okay, yes. So this would be like all the 5 minutes. So go back to 15 minutes. Let me see something. Yeah, close above it. So this would have been the entry of the 5 minutes. You have had like a 20, 19 pip stop loss, let's say 19, 20 pip stop loss, and price moved up. Like there was no, from the entry, there was no drawdown. So price just moved up for 100 pip. That was the entry, and this was around 5:45, 5 a.m. That's it. I think there are a lot of moves happening during inside session, like a lot of Asian volume these days. So I look at the previous day to see this was another entry, bullish entry. There's a lot of moves during the inside session. So basically that guys, just have to wait and see. Man, this trade is actually playing out. Like it's playing out, it's playing out, playing out. Three more minutes for the 15 minutes count to end, and we still haven't gotten any entries on gold. The only two entries we saw on gold were not our entries. This would have been an entry on gold actually. This one entry. It's the same thing. Just reverse price freaking out and same thing. It's basically the same thing, sure. Let us wait. I don't think we'll likely. I don't think we'll actually get the opportunity we need in the next 15 minutes. There is no how we'll get an opportunity in the next 15 minutes because this very price is unless price moves strong bearish below or strong bullish above. So that being said, I do not think again that we will get our opportunity. And on the 30 minutes, I don't actually think we'll get the opportunity unless we get the 30 minutes closing above this level. I think it's, but let's wait and see. I actually don't think we're gonna get any opportunities. I actually don't think we're gonna get any opportunities, but let's wait and see. Let's wait. Let's wait. Same reason I believe you guys were here when I explained the same reason why I didn't enter this one. I didn't get that retest or push because some of the time, most of the time, once you enter a trade, it might decide then and there that it wants to come down to do that retest after you must have placed your buy stop. So it's very important for you to have a confluence or anything you want to see in the market for you to actually execute it and enter what exactly you're looking for in the market. Do you get? Because I can give you like several examples where you can just enter trade without waiting for any retest, and after price triggered you in, price will start pushing to the downside. Like after you get triggered, price just start going against you, like going the opposite direction from your entry. Like just start going opposite direction. So it's very important for you to wait for all your confluence, everything you're looking for in the market, what you want price to do before you look to actually place a trade. You get actually place a trade. But we'll wait, guys. We'll wait it out. Wait it out, guys. Wait it out, guys. Below. So let's see if we get a strong bullish close. Let's see if we get a strong bullish close. I know we're in a zone, we're in a range, but let's see if we're gonna get something closing like this. Yes, strong bullish close like this. Then we actually see another bullish momentum like this. Then retest, then pushing upwards. Let's see, let's see. Because I think the 5 minutes rejected this level. I think the 5 minutes rejected this level. So let's wait and see. Let's wait and see, guys. Let's wait. This shouldn't be ending very soon. So let us wait and see if we're going to get what I'm looking for in order for us to be situated in the market. Let's wait and see. Let's wait. Okay, guys. I think at this point, I'm looking to round up the stream because there's nothing this price can do at this area now. But we'll wait and see later on. Now this one's even close below this 15 minutes. Well, actually also see get a rejection, but let's see. So I'm going to post. The stream is going to end now. So I thank everyone for tuning in. Um, like I said, I don't think anything can happen in the next 12 minutes or 15 minutes. I don't think there's any way we could get a trade. So if there's any opportunities, I'm going to send it out to the group. You guys are going to see it in the group, and that'll be all. That'll be all for today. So I'm going to see you guys same time tomorrow, 7:30. And please do give us a like, share, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Same time tomorrow again, guys. Bye, peace, and love, and God bless.